What is up, guys? Today we are bolting on horsepower. We got our Elderbrock carburetor back. Not Elderbrock carburetor, but our Elderbrock intake. We got our new Elderbrock carburetor. It's 650, brand new, still in the box. So we're going to put that on today. Right now, Tyler is preparing to glue the intake gaskets down. And then once we get those all glued on, we're going to put this intake on. We clear coated the intake today, and we also cleaned off the top of the heads where the gaskets go. So as soon as we get these all glued up, we're going to go ahead and sit this intake on. No, where's the hose? It's way too far forward. The intake sticks out the front. Well, it's gonna stick out some. That much? I thought it sit flush. The hose are lined up, right? Yeah, I see the hose. It's dead lined up. Well, hopefully there's enough silicone on the front. I know. Let's run up here and get the bolts, and I'll pull it back up and see. I think it's on backwards. There might be two washers on there too. Yeah, there is. Yeah, I'm glad we went and got them bolts. Yeah, it'd be a lot better. You want, what do you want to tighten these down? Just give me a wrench for now and something just to snug them down. So just a wrench, yeah. Stupid gasket's still on this side. Alright guys, we got our new distributor in yesterday. Tonight we are going to drop in the distributor. We're going to try to bolt on the carburetor if we have the right stuff to do that. And probably going to put the plugs in tonight. We're still waiting on our plug wire holders. So we're not going to be able to make the plug wires tonight. That's not supposed to be here till Friday, so that's not good. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this ready to drop the distributor in. We should be ready to go. So hopefully no problems here. Before we can drop this distributor in, we got to take this cap off so we can make sure that she's pointing at number 1. Alright, now that we can see the top distributor, we need to put a little grease on this so we don't mess the cam up. Not that it's going to mess the cam up, but let's go do that. We'll shine a light down in there, and I want to see where that groove is pointing for the oil pickup. I want to see kind of what direction it's pointing so we can try to drop it. We might have to turn the motor over to get it to drop down on there. Yeah, it's pointing towards number 1. The line is? Yeah, should be good. Should fall right in there. Are you gonna drop this or you want me to drop it? I'll drop it. It's too far. See that? The oil pickup isn't in the right spot. How you should be able to turn it. Give me a screwdriver, stick down there and turn it just a little bit. Turn it back that way. Just a smidge. It still ain't right. It needs to go back that way. It looks like it's about a tooth off or something. Tyler. What? Point it right there, like this. Well, that ain't even close. It's like this right now. Turn it to where it's pointing at me, right? Turn it where it's pointing at me. Alright, it's pointing at me. It's pointing this way. I need it to point toward me. Well, that's where I had it. That's closest it's gonna get to you. Alright, now let's see if it's good. The end done fell off. That's how you know what wire goes where. The end fell off of it. Drop it just like that. There you go, leave it right there. As close as it's gonna get. Alright, so we're test fitting the carburetor right now. We got the distributor in. We're gonna run up to O'Reilly and try to find a few things we need for the carburetor. We need some carburetor studs, a couple plugs, a couple brass fittings for it. We need the fuel line, banjo fitting. So we're gonna run up there right now. We'll be right back. What is up, guys? We are back. Today we are working on plug wires. The other day Tyler went ahead and put on the carburetor. Right now we're working on some holders that are going to hold up the spark plug wires, keep them off the manifold. We're having to make a spacer for it so we can keep it off the manifold. These are probably designed to run with headers, but we have manifolds. Once the plug wires are all hooked up, we're going to try to start this thing today, hopefully. The spacers, Tyler's actually working on the studs at the moment. So let's get this thing going. You got what size is that? 37/16. Yeah.
What's hard to lay them all in there?
I would lay them all out and then.
We'll do one side.
Yeah. We'll do one side at a time. The 90 goes at the top, yeah. Right? And then they're straight at the bottom. Okay. But everything needs to be moved back.
Yeah, it's out of time. I wonder how much. You ain't just moving it all the plug wires once.
Well, I think that's where we should start.
Alright. Well, take this in. Which way to go? Take one off.
Yeah, let's go one way. We've got to move them all back.
So this comes around here. Alright, pull that one off. Where's that one gonna go at the end?
They all go back one.
You think that did it?
I hope so.
Alright.
Yeah. Is the pulley jacked up?
This?
Or is it not even turning?
No, it is. It sounded like it was rubbing it.
I thought I heard something.
I can't believe it was fired up like that.
It run just as smooth.
Yeah. No wonder it didn't run worth a shit. Look at what we took off of it.
Alright, well, now I need to button up everything.
She's alive. I'm afraid to put coolant in it. I'm afraid it might leak.
Well, we're gonna have to fix it if it's got a hole in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna pour it in there right now.
Yeah.